Yo, what is up, guys? That Skyline here, and in today's video is gonna be a bit different than usual. I'm basically installing bags on my Skyline right now, and I was doing a coilover conversion to bags. Sadly, most of my footage did get corrupted, and I had some issues with it where the rear coilovers, I broke the dampeners on them. Like I said, that got corrupted, and the only ones that really didn't get corrupted was the fronts, and I didn't have any issues with that at all. So I said it's just gonna be a small little video and everything like that, but I figured I'd show my process with this, something new, something different. But yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into it.